Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. As you are all aware, the famous round croissants from New York Lafayette Bakery are the talk of social media. Since we couldn't get one there, we chose to create it ourselves. So here I'm using puff pastry sheet to get that beautiful flaky texture for the croissant. So roll these puff pastry sheets and cut them into strips like this. Now roll each strip into a round disc. So here I'm making just bite-sized small round croissants, but if you want the bigger croissants just like in the viral videos, you can attach one more strip at the end of the disc and roll it together. After rolling each disc, just pull the edge and secure it at the bottom and press it down gently. Now place each round croissants on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now bake them in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make some chocolate ganache for the decoration. Add some chocolate pieces into warm cream and mix it up. Our round croissants are out from the oven, and let's make the famous dripping design on top of it. Now as these are mini croissants, I'm not making any filling for them, but if you want chocolate filling, you can add a hole on top and add the chocolate ganache inside as well. You can add some chopped nuts on top, and there it is, the world famous round croissants from New York at your home. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.